बच्चों, इस वीडियो में हम वर्क एनर्जी पावर की एक ऐसी अमेजिंग शॉर्टकट ट्रिक डिस्कस करने वाले हैं जिसकी मदद से आप इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस बस 3 to 4 सेकेंड्स में सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन में हमें ये बोला है कि ए बुलेट इज फायर्ड फ्रॉम ए गन। A bullet is fired from a gun. It travels through a wooden block through a distance of 6 centimeter and its velocity becomes half. Alright, now actual question is at what distance its final velocity becomes 0. Alright, so for this type of questions let us discuss a shortcut trick. Remember one thing, see, all the shortcut tricks have one or two exceptions. What the exception we have in this shortcut trick is, this shortcut trick what I am going to discuss with you in few minutes or in few seconds, this has exception that it can be applied only in this type of situation. Whenever you see a bullet and block system, and if you catch the word like velocity becomes half, as soon as you see this word velocity becomes half, you can apply this trick. What is the trick? The trick is, they are asking distance, right? So this distance can be found as whatever the distance they'll give at which the velocity becomes half. Whatever the distance they'll give at which the velocity half, divide the distance by 2, you will get the answer. It's as simple as it is. Remember, again I'm telling the exception of this shortcut trick. You can, whenever you see this bullet and block system, and if you catch the word velocity becomes half, as soon as you see this word, you apply this trick. At whatever the distance velocity becomes half, divide the distance by 2, you will get the answer. Okay, now let's discuss another trick from the same chapter. Now they'll be asking you to find the angular displacement, angular velocity, etc, etc. Alright, now we have two cases. Alright, we have two cases. See, imagine you have a spherical ball, okay, spherical ball or spherical surface placed on another spherical surface. Now in this situation, this ball or the spherical surface tends to move down. Why? Because it's unstable. Similarly in this case, this spherical ball tends to move upward. Okay, now they'll be asking you the angular displacement of this small spherical surface, okay, small spherical ball or whatever you can call it. Now in order to calculate the angular displacement, let us see the shortcut trick. Here is the shortcut trick. See, in order to calculate the shortcut trick, first let's see the formula for velocity. V is equal to root of NGR. Alright, V is equal to root of NGR. Now similarly for this case also, velocity becomes root of NGR, where R is the radius, G you can take it as 10. Now this velocity they'll be giving in question. Suppose if they don't give velocity in the question, then you can take velocity as 0 and you can get the value of n. Now angular displacement, this can be written as cos theta is equal to 2 minus n by 3 in this case. Whereas in this case, where the spherical body tends to move upward, here the spherical body tends to move downward, from up to down, here from down to upward direction. Okay, in this case cos theta is equal to n minus 2 by 3. Here cos theta is equal to 2 minus n by 3, here cos theta is equal to n minus 2 by 3. This is the simple and most easiest trick with which you can solve this type of angular displacement questions. Okay, again I am telling, for up to down, upward to downward motion, cos theta is equal to 2 minus n by 3. From down to up, cos theta is equal to n minus 2 by 3. Okay, now let us take an example to understand this concept better. See here, a small spherical ball is placed at the top of the another sphere. So it means this is the case we are discussing, first case we are discussing, because placed on the top of the another sphere. Okay, there is no friction between both the sphere. The small one starts from down and at the point P it leaves the surface of the big ball. Find the angular displacement of the small spherical ball before it leaves the big one. It means here velocity is 0. They have not given velocity, so we have to take velocity 0. What is the formula? V is equal to root of NGR, right? So here n is equal to 0. Why? If velocity becomes 0, then this total expression becomes 0. In this manner we can conclude that n is also is equal to 0. What is our shortcut trick now? Cos theta. This is upward to downward motion. So what is the shortcut trick I had discussed? 2 minus n by 3, right? So substitute the values. 2 minus 0 by 3. So 2 by 3. What is this? This is the cos theta. we need theta. What is the theta? Theta, if you calculate cos inverse 2 by 3, see the option, first option matches our answer. So in this way, in just few seconds, by using this amazing shortcut trick, you can solve angular displacement questions. Okay, so thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you a lot.